Have you been trying hard to change and develop, but you're not seeing the results? Or maybe you see the results for a day or two or even a week, and then you go back to your old habits? And then you sit down and ask yourself, why is this happening to me? Am I a loser? Is this my destiny? Why can't I continue improving myself? And why do I keep getting distracted? You see, there are simple hacks to fix this. And I bet you've been searching online for answers. And I applaud you for that. But remember, my friend, the solution for this problem is not a one-size-that-fits-all kind of solution. So spare me these 4 minutes of your time so I can walk you and show you what I mean by the end of this video. I will recommend you to start with a couple of steps, and I guarantee you will see the difference in your life immediately. So I'll break it down into 3 categories, each of which is related to the other. And we'll start with the first one, which is your why. What is your why? Why are you doing what you're doing? Why are you here today? To change? Why do you want to change? For what? Is it because you wanted to get a new car? Or is it because you have a newborn? Whatever your why is, what I want you to do is write it down. And what I mean by writing it down, I mean literally write it down on a piece of paper so your eyes can see it and your brain can believe it. So after figuring out what your why is, we need to move to the next category, which is your goal. And what I mean by goal, I mean your long-term goal. And that could be anything that you're genuinely trying to achieve. But whatever you choose, whatever you say your goal is, you need to be ready to ask yourself some follow-up questions. And this is when the third category is going to come into place, which is the plan. So by now we have our why and we have our goal. Now we need to set a plan together so we can execute on this goal. And one common mistake that I see in people is not having a plan. You ask them what your goal is and they say, oh, I want to be a millionaire. Well, how do you want to be a millionaire? Oh, by hard work. Well, you see, that is not going to work. There are a lot of hardworking people out there, and believe it or not, most of them are going to say average. So what makes you different? Why do you deserve to achieve your goal? Yes, hard work is very important, but having a strategy implemented is going to give you the boost that you need. Now, the strategy is different from a person to another. It's just like your diet. It works for you, but it might not work for me. Remember, it's not a one-size-that-fits-all. And speaking of strategy, if you need a custom solution, I'm offering a free consultation call to customize your strategy based on your situation. Feel free to click the link in the description, and no, you're not paying anything. With that being said, and with all due respect, I would ask you to stop bullshitting yourself about why you're not winning in life. You see, excuses sound best to the person who's making them up. If you really want to do something or you really want to change something, you can make it happen. And if you're tired of the results, then change the thing that you're doing. And before I let you go on your day, I want to remind you that time is of the essence. So stop wasting your time watching content that is not going to move the needle for you. You need to stay laser focused and have a supportive environment around you. And this is why I would ask you to subscribe for this channel to continue receiving more content that is going to support you in your journey. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And speaking of time wasting, if you're really interested in learning how successful people manage their time, I would highly recommend you to click the link up here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.